My name's Trenton Ross. I go to Spanish Springs High School and I'm a senior. I felt like I've been a part of this family from 7th grade to 8th grade and all the way to now. I'm excited, ready to move on to the next chapter in my life. Definitely being a student athlete for 4 years is a definite task. Having football's a job by itself, but also a student's a job by itself as well. And it's kind of hard tackling both at the same time, but I definitely really enjoyed being the strong part of our defense and being kind of the playmaker, I would say. I'm committed at Sierra College in Rocklin, California. I've always wanted to play football at the next level, so I've reached out on Twitter, talked to coaches, went to games. So I just felt like that's the best fit for me. I've done welding at TMCC for 3 years now. I like working with my hands. I like building stuff and stuff like that. So, I've always been raised to treat people equally, no matter race, ethnicity, anything, religion, doesn't matter to me. Treat people as human beings, and I feel like everybody needs a nice person in their life. And I feel like being helpful is the way to go in your life.